drop it because I need a brake in time. I do want to learn how to drop back and brake, but haven't got it yet. But hopefully soon. Not all the cars are here yet, but yeah, we're gonna check out a few. El Camino. That's how I got the bike here and the bed. Regal, R63 Impala, 66 Impala, R66 Impala, and 64 Impala. But yeah, this place is fun. There's gonna be more cars getting here soon. Yeah. And this morning, Surroundster put me in his video from when we met at the expo. I'll throw that up on the screen.
Hey, Ben! Good to see you, bro. I'm so happy we got to see each other. You're coming to the ride later?
No, the 85, I'm redoing it right now.
Oh, I wish you could have come riding today.
That was super dope. I was gonna ride it here, but I did want to ride in the 66. I did want to, yeah. But then my dad's friend offered to take it in the bed of the El Camino. And I was like, you. So he took it. Thank you. But yeah, this bike is fun. This is like a full empty parking lot over here. It's like there's no one over here. I don't think there will be because I think they're just gonna set up jumpers and stuff. So until the kids get here, I'm pretty sure I'm good. Yo! I did that. You guys think I can get him? It's like the perfect spot for circles. Yo. I think I can get it. Dang it. I'll probably try it again in a bit. Straight wheelies are fun though. Mode 1. This thing is crazy. Still in mode 1. Yo guys, just having some fun still. Some cars are starting to leave. I think it ends in like an hour. Having some fun. Went and they had some little cars, and my nephew isn't here, so I built him one. So much fun wheeling. I'm really starting to consider, I probably will get moto brakes. But and put these on a different bike. Put like the quad, I'll put these on. But yeah, moto brakes I think will come in very handy. Probably from Ride or Die. They have direct mounts for racers. And keep in mind, I have not left mode 1 the full time. I'm still at 80 volts and I've been riding since like 9. Or, it was like probably 8:40, 8:30. I'm leaning so hard I just scraped my shoe on the floor. Yeah. No. Oh, actually, there was a few more cars I got here. I'll go show you guys. Super nice cars. Thank you. I'm getting compliments left and right. I do got some cool stuff in the making. Stay tuned for my next videos. It will be real dope. Huh?
Let's see wheels, let's go.
Alright. Dang it. I'm starting to be able to pop at different speeds. I'm in mode 1 because other modes have too much torque, but for higher speeds I think I will be good. I do kind of want to get a tune where like over 10 miles per hour it gives me torque, and then once it like, cause it has to have a sensor for like when you're leaning over for it to cut out, but use that sensor so when I'm wheeling it gives me less torque just to stay balanced. Huh?
Oh, hell no!
But so far, this place is really nice. Kind of like a Cars and Coffee. I actually really want to go to Cars and Coffee. Those are dope. Guys, we're gonna head out to the event.